Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about Apple self-service repair, and I'm going to be showing you why Apple self-service repair is not completely and fully self-service repair. It was recently rolled out by Apple and you can order parts, different parts. As you know, if you replace the display, it will bring this notification, the not genuine part display. You can order different parts, the disabling the Face ID and also the disabling the power saving mode. So I'm going to be showing you why the Apple self-service repair is not self-service repair. So eventually Apple jumped on the self-service repair, as many tech giants were advocating for self-service repair. Apple jumped on this, and you can repair your iPhone yourself by ordering parts straight from Apple. But I'm going to be showing you why this is not fully self-service repair. As you know, Apple or iPhone completely controls what you repair on their own phone. As you know, I'm going to be showing you. So this is the self-service repair website where you can go and order for parts. As you see, they show you self-service repair store for Apple products, and you can order different parts. You can order for tools, maybe review repairs, and order for parts. So I can start my order, and if you're making an order, it will ask you for the type of gadget you're trying to repair. It will be the iPhone, and you come here to look for the type. I'll be an iPhone 12 mini, 13. So the project currently supports only these models. It will support iPhone 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, and SE third generation. So I will select the iPhone 12, and on selecting this, you can come here and select a battery, screen. So I'm going to go mainly on the display, and then after doing that, all you do is come and add to cart. So as you see, repairing a replacement for an iPhone 12 screen is $269, and this is only available for people in the US. So if you're out of the US, you won't be able to get any part unless you have someone in the US where they will ship your things to, and that person will be able to ship those things to you straight where you are, or whether you're in Africa, whether you're in any country. And when I place order, they will ask for the serial number for the product you're trying to order for. So here you enter the serial number and press submit. Then they will ship the parts to the address you put in, and that's it. You can visit the website to see more. So after ordering and receiving the stuff, I'm going to be showing you more about the Apple repair program. It's not that efficient. As you know, Apple controls what you're doing on a phone, as most parts are paired. Even though after receiving the part, I'm going to be showing you more in detail. Some have fixed an iPhone, and the display is genuine. It is paired with the phone, but still it shows different things. So let me take you through the process. So after ordering the new display replacement and putting it on the phone, it takes quite some time. After putting on the display, you have to connect the phone to your PC to calibrate the display so that it matches with your phone. And from the Hugh Jeffreys video, after pairing this new display on the device, what will happen, the old display won't be able to pair again. It will be showing a non-genuine part. So I've paired the device, and calibration takes quite some time, and I updated the phone to the latest OS, and after pairing and putting on the display, all things work perfectly, but I still get that not genuine part notification. So everything works perfectly. As you see, if I scroll, the screen works perfectly, and it's a new screen. Then this was the replacement, the screen that was on the phone. So if I go and I place in settings, I will get that notification which says imported display message. And when you replace a display, not everything will be working perfect. For example, True Tone will be disabled. As you see, the phone doesn't recognize the display. It keeps on saying display not genuine. As you see, display unknown part. So it shows the screen is not a genuine part. But if I may show you this phone, if it's not a genuine part, True Tone has to disappear. You know, iPhone disables True Tone, battery health if you repair the battery, Face ID if you change the Face ID. So if I show you the True Tone for this phone, it still functions and it's still there. So after pairing and what, iPhone mainly, takes control of what you replace. They want you to take this phone to them for repair, and that's what many people are finding hard time to do. So if I check the True Tone, as you see, True Tone is available on this phone, but it still says it's not a genuine part. It's not a genuine part for this iPhone. And I've tried copying serial numbers from the old screen to this screen, and it's still failing. I don't know where the problem is, but after calibrating and the screen works perfectly, you won't get any problem from the screen, but you'll keep getting that notification, the not genuine part. You'll keep getting that notification. The True Tone works, Night Shift works, all sensors work perfectly, Face ID works, but I keep on getting that notification. So iPhone should release the software it uses to pair its device to it uses to pair its parts to the device, so that it becomes easy for third-party repairs to add and calibrate this device very, very well. Without that, you'll keep on getting these non-genuine parts, though everything works perfectly. So, and iPhone, it wants you to go to it, pay more money, because for them they are making more money and controlling their own system. As you know, iPhone is in a league where it's competing with other manufacturers, but in its own league. It has its own services that are provided by only Apple. So with that, the self-service repair is there, but it's not completely self-service or self-repair. The self-repair program is put out, but it's not it. And if you were to take a phone to an Apple store for repair, it will be quite cheap compared to you ordering a part, bringing it, and taking hours to pair the brought part to your phone, and connecting to the phone, talking to support. You have to keep the phone connected. It will take to almost an hour if you're to pair that phone. So it feels easy and fast to take the phone to Apple, so that they are the ones who repair it than you repairing it yourself. With that, Apple self-service repair is there, but it's not that efficient as other devices. For example, Tecno, you can repair your device yourself. As parts are not paired to the phone. If this part is broken, you just order a new part and put it in, then it will work smoothly and perfectly. You won't get any disturbances from the phone saying the part is not genuine or what. As long as you buy an original part, it will work perfectly and smoothly. So repair becomes easy for third party or for yourself. If your phone breaks down, you can repair. If it breaks a screen, you can repair it. But here I've replaced a screen and it's an original screen, but still brings the not genuine part. The display is not recognized. So, and surprisingly, all the display settings work perfectly. The True Tone, the sensors, the Face ID, everything that is paired to the screen works perfectly, but I keep getting that notification. Maybe with time it will go. As iPhone keeps on releasing updates, and maybe more notifications may pop up. For example, you can have a phone and a notification will pop up. I've had an iPhone where a battery, the battery health was showing, and accidentally it stopped showing the battery health, showing the part was not genuine, the battery was not recognized, and that's iPhone mainly. Its self-repair program is out, but it's not yet fully out, as they are still controlling some parts of the self-repair program. as you have to still go through Apple to finish your phone's repair. Anyway guys, with that, thanks for watching and see you next time.